Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So today we will learn HCF means highest common factor. So what is highest common factor? Now listen, student. The greatest number, which is the common factor of two or more given numbers, is called their highest common factor. Means the highest common factor of two or more numbers is the greatest among their common factors. And this HCF is also known as GCD, means greatest common divisor, and also GCM, means greatest common measure. Now, students, we will learn two methods to find HCF. Like as here, this is the first question in which we have to find the HCF of 144 and 198 by the prime factorization method. Now listen, student, as we know how we can find the prime factorization. Now what we do first we will find the prime factorization of each number. Like here, first we find the prime factorization of 144, then we will find the prime factorization of 198. Now what we will see, listen, we will find the which factor is common in both the prime factorization. Now as you are seeing, this 2 is common in both the prime factorization, so we will encircle these two and write ones over here. And then as we are seeing, the next 3 is common in both the prime factorization, so we will encircle these 3 and write in multiplication once. And now again the 3 is common in both the prime factorization, so we will write once in multiplication. Now we will multiply 2 into 3 into 3, like 2 3 is 6 and 6 3 is 18. So this 18 is the highest common factor of 144 and 198. Now next question is, here we have to find the HCF of 144, 180 and 192 by the prime factorization method. Now listen, student, as here there are three numbers but the process is same. What we do first we will find the prime factorization of each number. Like first we will find the prime factorization of 144, then we find the prime factorization of 180, then we will find the prime factorization of 192. Now we will see which factor is common in all the three prime factorization. Now as we are seeing here, first we are seeing this 2 is common in all the three, so we will encircle these and write once. Again next 2 is also common in 3 prime factorization, so we will encircle these 2 and write once. Now next 2 is common in only first and second, so we can't take, because the factor should common in all the three prime factorization. So the next number is 3, which is common in all the three prime factorization, so we will encircle these 3 and write once in multiplication. So when we will multiply 2 into 2 into 3, like 2 to the 4 and 4 3 is 12, so this 12 is the highest common factor of 144, 180 and 192. Now next question is, here we have to find the HCF of 399 and 437 by the division method. Now listen, student, as the method name is division, so that means here we have to find here we have to divide. Now as what we do first we will divide the greatest number by the smaller. As here 437 is greater, so we will divide this 437 by 399. So when we divide 437 by 399, we will get remainder 38. Now listen then, what happened, this remainder 38 will become divisor for the next division, and the divisor 399 will become dividend for the next division. Then again we will divide by 38. So when you will divide 399 by 38, like 38 1 is 38, you will got 19 as a remainder. Then the same process will be continue. This 19 will become divisor for the next division, and the 38, its previous divisor, will become dividend for the next division. Now again we will divide, like 19 1 is 19 and 19 2 is 38. Now we get 0 as remainder. That means our process is over. Now, so this last divisor here, this 19 is our final SCF. So this is the SCF. This 19 is SCF of 399 and 437. Now, next here we have to find the SCF of 136, 170 and 255. Now, as here there are three numbers, and now listen student, we can't divide three numbers at a time. So what we will do, we will choose any two. So as I have taken the first two numbers, so in the first two numbers 170 is greater, so we will divide this 170 by 136. When you will divide this 170 by 136, like 136 1 136, you will got 34 as a remainder. Then this remainder will become divisor for the next division, and the quotient and this the first divisor, which is 136, this 136 will become dividend for the next division. Now when we will divide 136 by 34, we will got 0, like 34 4s are 136. That means we have got 0 as remainder. Now the process is over. Now this 34 is the SCF of this 136 and 170, but this 34 is not the factor of all the three. So what we have to do? Now we have to find the SCF of this 34 and this 255. Now we will divide 255 by 34, like 34 1 ja 34, 34 7 ja 238. We will got remainder 17. So again this 17 will become divisor for the next division, and the previous divisor, which is 34, will become dividend for the next division. Now we will divide 34 by 17, like 17 1 ja 17 and 17 2 ja 34. Now we will got remainder 0. So this last divisor 17 is the highest common factor of all the three numbers, like the SCF of 136, 170 and 255 is 17. This is our final answer. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.